Our group was tasked with finding characterizations and definitions of land cover in Laos for a project about the Mekong River Basin that is in progress under USAID. We began our research in a broad fashion, first looking for definitions specific to Laos's land cover that were already established by various organizations. We were able to find a number of different organizations with definitions, yet many of them were lacking the depth we required for this project. In our initial search, we came across this visual map from the UN Environmental and Assessment Program for Asia and the Pacific. While it was a good start, the data this map presented was broad and dated, with weakly characterized classifications. This was indicative of much of the data we were able to uncover afterwards. However, this map was the only source that was specific solely to Laos and was thus valuable to us. This next visual is from the Global Land Cover Project from 2000. It provided the most in-depth classification system for land cover with 22 definitions, 12 of which applied to Laos. Additionally, this dataset broke down overarching categories of land cover into clearly defined and standardized classifications. Our third visual representation of land cover is from Laos's Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry. Whereas this is an official map provided by the Laotian government, it is more broad and not as clearly defined as the map provided by the Global Land Cover Project. This is very telling of the amount and quality of data available directly from the Laotian government that we were able to find during our research. This next image is also from Laos's Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry, yet it shows a more detailed city-based representation, allowing for data grouped into clearly defined regions. This visual is from the Environmental and Sustainable Development Program from the United Nations in 2008. This is our most up-to-date source of data and presents land cover data for the entirety of the lower Mekong Basin region. With this map, the flaws of this project are clearly visible. Because of the scope of the region, a single map cannot clearly define the intricacies of the land cover in each individual country. We have assembled the definitions from 4 of the organizations we used to define land cover in comparative tables. Each table presents how the definitions used by one organization directly correspond to those used by other organizations. Essentially, these tables depict how no one organization is able to adequately define the extent of land cover classifications in Laos. What these tables do indicate is that under broader, less specific definitions, land cover appears to complement other definitions well. Yet, while complex definitions overlap less between organizations, they provide a more comprehensive breakdown of the types of land cover present in Laos. While it was difficult to classify land cover solely through information provided by the Laotian government, with the maps and tables assembled from our research, we were able to gain a deeper understanding of both the variety of land cover present in Laos as well as the challenges one could face in maintaining it.